Good morning. This is day 105? 104. And we're getting up. We're going to break down this tent and tarp that we secured. It rained last night. And Crocs are dry, but our other stuff is hanging on the line. And that got soaked. So we're gonna have to dry that up today. But it is gonna be a beautiful day. Sun shining from over there, and it's, oh, you can see the moon. Huh. Alright.
So it's been a couple hours since we got up. Rodeo Goat's tent is still here. He's still drying stuff out and charging stuff up. But everyone else is gone, and we are just finally getting packed up here. We had created this like clothesliney thing to try to dry some stuff out, and then Mr. Lavardi very kindly helped us dry some of our stuff a little bit using the dryer. So it's at the point where we can just hang it out in the sun a little bit today, and it should get dry in case we get wet again today. All right, we are finally on our way, and it is hot. We're actually going to be stopping up here, I think, at a Cumberland Farms or somewhere to use the bathroom, and then get on the trail. I mean, this is the trail, but
It's
out of the town.
It's only 9:30. It's not bad.
Yeah, 9:30. Oy. This is north.
Yep. North is. Well, there's a white place right.
Alrighty. I just came out to this view. The others decided to go on a bit. Pretty good. What I'm standing on is marble. So that's why I kind of wanted to see it. Because you don't see marble cliffs or marble outlooks very often. And there, that butte, tall one, is Mount Greylock. What we're climbing today. It is 3,000 feet, or 2,500, 3,000 feet of up over like 7 miles. So it's long and kind of strenuous. So we gotta go down into town first and then up. Let's go.
We had a little stop here. Guns was here, and who was here? Yeah, other hikers were here getting lunch or having a treat. And now we're hitting the trail, and we are climbing Mount Greylock. How about this? 1,235-pound piece of cheese. Presented to President Thomas Jefferson in 1802. That's pretty special.
1802. How do you think they moved it? How many people did it take to carry it?
It's a good question. Interesting town we're in. Cheshire. Headed back to the trail. Alrighty. We are starting the climb of Mount Greylock, highest peak in Massachusetts, and the biggest climb since Virginia, I think. I think that's what Mr. Lavardi said. So I'm not feeling great today, so I'm a little concerned. Back there at the ice cream place, I was laying down on my mat trying to take a nap while the kids ate and hung out. So hopefully that few minutes helped. But I'm just feeling really weak and dragging today. I woke up last night kind of chilled and dehydrated, maybe. I don't know. So I think I'll be okay. I'm going to push. We're going to get to the summit of this thing. It's 8 miles. Hopefully we can get to the summit and beyond, but at a bare minimum, we're going to get 8 miles to the summit. And evaluate the time and how I feel once we get there. Not sure, but guessing we're going across the street there to this ridge and maybe making our way over to that higher point or beyond. Maybe that's a false summit, I don't know. So we're climbing Greylock. There are some steep sections. Oh my goodness. The wind has picked up. The thunder has picked up. Not sure if it's going to rain or not. So I'm going to put my phone away just in case it starts. We're going to keep hiking. Keep moving on to the summit. If it does rain, it's supposed to be passing. I guess it is raining. We're just in the tree cover, so it's not raining very hard right now. All right, we're at a junction. We're soaking wet. Some of us put on ponchos, some of us didn't. We're soaked again. It opened up. It started coming down. The trail, parts of the trail are like a brook where our feet are soaked again. So it's 3.3 to the summit. There's a shelter here with 1 million people in it, so we're going to keep moving. 3.3 to the summit. This is the trail here, and then we cross this brook. I'm not sure how that's going to go, but I'm not going to keep my phone out as I try.
Yeah.
This is the trail, not a water source. The water sources are actually like totally overflowing and almost impossible to get around. Our feet are soaked. This is just the trail with the water from today's rain downpour.